काय ना जनरल आमचे MLA ची मीटिंग
हां
आणि जनरल ऑन
म्हणजे
फ्युचर
कालच्या व्हिजिटाबद्दल काय ब्रीफ झाले ना.
ब्रीफ इन जनरल नाही.
Today's meeting was just to discuss about various issues which are happening now. We spoke about doing up the roads, we spoke about light, water supply, electricity, all these things. So to just issues about development of how we can develop all these things in a better way. Then also discussed about Lushi Nalini, which the vessel which is stranded. So operations will start in a few days time.
Okay, how much time it will take?
It will take about 10 days, but it should start, operations start in about 2 or 3 days time. So we've got someone from Singapore who's coming, and they've decided to give it to a professional so that it can be handled in a better way since it's all flammable, which is there in the vessel.
So next 2 days time it can start.
Yeah, should start in the next 2 days time.
CM briefed about Madai meeting yesterday. He had a meeting with Javadekar.
Yeah, he briefed us about that also, and he says everything is okay to be sorted out. Whatever is in the best interest of Goa will be done.
डेव्हलपमेंट सगळे रोड्स वॉटर सप्लाय पॉवर सप्लाय
किती इश्यूज असले
आणि जॉबांचेर म्हणजे जरा
रोडांचेर कितें थरलें सर केन्ना
रोड्स पॉटहोल्स खंय असले जर जाय जाल्यार तितले बेगीन ते क्लियर करचे अशें म्हणून मुखाल्ले 15 दिसां भितर सगळे हें जावचें अशें म्हणून तशेंच वॉटर सप्लायचे मेजर जर स्किम्स आसा जर जाय जाल्यार त्यो परस्यू करच्यो अशें
जॉब रिक्रुटमेंटाचे
ना ताजेर जाता
मादेचे कितें सीएम ब्रीफ केलें.
हय म्हाजें फॅक्ट म्हणजे कशें आसा की मुखाल्ले 10 दिसां भितर आमकां इन्फॉर्मेशन दिता म्हणून सांगता आमचे सेंट्रल मिनिस्टर जे आसा ताणें सांगलां की मुखाल्ले 10 दिसां भितर रिप्लाय दिता अशें म्हणलां स्टेटीक आनी स्टेटीचे इंट्रस्ट प्रोटेक्ट करतले अशें म्हटलां.